everyone. Today I am zipping up this cute black and white polka dot dress. This is another Hell Bunny creation. I like this one. It's got 60s vibes. I don't wear 60s vibes very often, so this was kind of a fun thing to do new with my hair and makeup, especially now that I have bangs, my short bangs. I don't feel like they generally lend so well to 60s, but I gave it a whirl and I think I did pretty good. This is just a little necklace that I realized at the last minute I had on backwards once I got it under my collar. The good thing with this one, it has a little like bar and loop, so I can just take the bar out of the loop. I think I got this from Restyle. Everything I wear, as usual, is credited in the description below. So if you're wondering where I got anything, you can find that in my description. But I like when you have a collar buttoned all the way up and then you put a necklace kind of around the collar. I just think it's kind of a cool look, so I did that with this dress. This ring is from not Foxblood, Regal Rose. If you guys want a discount, I have a 15% discount at Regal Rose, and that will also be in the description below. The bow is from Foxblood. I got my companies mixed up. This bow is so soft, hard to get through the 8,000 bobby pins that I had back in the back of my bouffant, but I eventually got it there. It's really, really soft. The thing that I always forget about my hair is that even though I can't see the back, other people can see the back. So it's kind of fun to put accessories in the back of your hair. These are my little knee-high socks. I like wearing knee-highs and thigh-highs. I think I probably wear thigh-highs more than I wear knee-highs, but I think it's kind of a cute look. Even though I'm a woman into my 40s, I can still be cute, gosh darn it. These shoes are from Pinup Girl. They are very, very comfortable. They were a little bit tight with the socks, but that's okay. We got them on there eventually. I hate unbuckling buckles, so anything I can do to slip a shoe on without having to buckle is my friend. Here's the final look. Sorry there wasn't that much light on my face. I didn't realize until after I filmed it, so look at the books underneath my staircase. I was building a bookshelf while I was filming this, but here we go. There's my face a little bit. And hope you guys like this, and I will see you in the next one.